We're explaining the 260 character path length limit in Windows. 1. Windows has a historical limitation. File paths, including the drive letter, can't exceed 260 characters. This includes the folder names and the file name itself. 2. This limit stems from the legacy design of the Windows operating system. It's a carryover from the limitations of the older file systems like FAT and FAT32, which were designed for simpler file structures. 3. Going beyond 260 characters typically leads to errors. You might encounter messages indicating that the path is too long, the file couldn't be found, or other system errors that are cryptic and hard to diagnose. 4. This limit applies to various operations, including creating files, moving files, deleting files, accessing files programmatically, and even just trying to open a File Explorer window showing a deeply nested directory structure. 5. The 260 character limit is a significant problem for users with many nested folders, long file names, or users who work with large media libraries or software projects. It's an even bigger hurdle for developers, as it directly affects the design and functionality of their applications. 6. However, there's a way around it. While the limit is still technically in place, Windows supports a registry setting called Enable Win32 Long Paths. 7. Activating Enable Win32 Long Paths allows Windows to handle file paths exceeding 260 characters. This is done by modifying a registry key, a process best done cautiously, as incorrect modifications to the registry can lead to system instability. 8. Even with this setting enabled, some applications might not be fully compatible, meaning they may still experience problems with extremely long paths. 9. It's a good practice to avoid extremely long paths whenever possible. Organizing your files and folders logically, using shorter names, and regularly cleaning up unnecessary files and folders is the best preventative measure against hitting this limit. 10. In summary, while the 260 character limit remains a feature of Windows, the Enable Win32 Long Paths registry setting offers a solution. However, good file management habits are the most effective way to prevent problems related to long file paths.